Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset your TP-Link router and how you can configure it again, because sometimes we face some problems on our Wi-Fi router and network not working properly. That time we need to reset our Wi-Fi router to fix this type of problem. Or if we need to change our router, that time also we need to set up our new router. So in this video I will show you step by step full process to reset your TP-Link router and also how you can set up it again. Before starting the video, I will ask you something, that please don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more these types of important video. First of all, we need to reset our Wi-Fi router. So on your Wi-Fi router backside, you will find here a reset or WPS button. You have to hold on this button for 10 seconds. If your router front light is blinking, which means your router is reset. After that, now go to your phone or desktop screen. Go to the Wi-Fi option and you will see here TP-Link router signal. So select it and click on connect. After that, you need to type here password. Let me show you where you can find it. You will find the password on the router's below side. So type this password here. Then click on next. As you can see, it's connected. So now open your Chrome browser and type here 192.168.0.1. After that, hit the enter. Then click on continue. After that, type here your router username and password. TP-Link default username and password is admin. So write here admin in username and password with small letter. And then click on login. Then click on next. After that, make sure operation mode is in wireless router. Then click on next. Now choose here your connection type. Don't worry if you don't know about your connection type, then you can select here auto detect, or you can also contact with your ISP. Okay, as I know my connection type, I'm gonna select it. Then click on next. Now you need to type here your username and password, which is provided by your ISP. If you don't know your profile username and password, then contact with your ISP. They will give you this username and password. Okay. Then click on next. Now type here Wi-Fi name, that which name you want to see on Wi-Fi signal. Now type here a password for your Wi-Fi. And click on next. After that, scroll down and click on save. That's it, your work is done. Now get back to Wi-Fi option. You will see here your newly set up network. Click on connect and type here your created Wi-Fi password and click on next. Finally, as you can see, it's connected, and if I open YouTube, you can see it's working properly. So friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the like button of this video. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment. I will try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.